Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to download email attachment in UiPath. So you can see the screenshot of this download and attachment. So you know that if you want to see the attachment in Outlook email, then you will find this, this clip icon. It shows that this email has attachment, right? So if you want to download any attachment from Outlook, so I am going to show you today and I will tell you how to download a specific attachments. Let's say if you want to download only PDF file type, then you can do this. If you want to download only the Excel file, because let's say sometime if you are working on any project and in which there is a work, there is a scenario where you have to just download Excel file because or any PDF file, because you are getting an email on daily basis from your client or from any email, and you have to download that attachment, download only the Excel file or PDF file. So how can you do that? So we'll learn today in this video. And as I have already told you about this, how to filter mail message and how to read top 10 emails, how to read emails where from email ID is this, or where the subject contains any text. So you can apply the filter. So if you don't know about this, then you can go through my previous video and then you can watch this video, so that will help you to understand this tutorial. So basically there are two important things here, that how to download email attachments in UiPath. So here we'll learn how to download all this attachment, like multiple attachments or single attachments. Now the second, how can we apply filter there and then download a specific attachment, right? So I'm going to start. I'm not going to show you a demo today. I just want to start with the practice. Okay, so let me open UiPath Studio here. Okay, so here I have already taken this flowchart, and now you know that if we want to get email from this Outlook, then we need to use get Outlook mail message. So we'll take here get Outlook mail message. So we'll take here. Now here I have this Outlook email application, here Outlook application, and you can see here that this is an icon of this paperclip attachments. So it shows that icon of this attachments. So it means this email has attachments, right? Now if you see here, this email has attachments, right? So same way, if you are working on any project and if you are getting any email from your client, from your manager, from any user, and let's say you have these attachments, and if you want to download all these PDF attachments, then how can you do that? First I'm going to show you here. We have this get Outlook mail message. Now we have this inbox folder, yes, because we are going to read all this data, all these emails from this inbox folder, right? Now here you know that we can apply filter, but I will tell you later for this. Now we have only 100 mail message, we are not going to check this. And now here I'm going to take only top 15 email, and I have already a variable for this list of mail message, that is emails. So I'm going to take this emails. To get one by one email from this list of emails, we have to take one for each. Now change the type argument to system.net.mail message. Now change this to email, and now emails, right? Now the first thing, if you want to download the attachment, so for that we have, you can just write here attachment, attach, ATTSCH. Now you can see we are getting here in mail save attachments, right? So we can just take this here. Now you can see we have this mail message, so this email will be here. It means it will go and check if this email has attachments, it will download here. If no, it will not. It will take another. If it again, it will check if it has attachments, it will download. then again it will go here, right? So one by one it will check all emails from this list of emails, right? Now you are getting here text must be quoted. So what is this? So this is about the folder path. You can see here in the properties, in the input, folder path. So we have to provide the full path, and here we are not getting any warning message because we can leave it blank. So if you leave it blank, so it will by default it will save these attachments to this project folder here, right? And if you want to use any folder, so you can click on this browse, you can go and select any folder here. So let me select here, so it will show like this, a complete path, right? Or you can just keep it blank, or you can just put here double quotation or keep it blank. Now let me just run this so that I can show you how does it work. So let me run this, control F5. So you have seen I have taken top 15 emails. So let's see how many attachments we are getting from top 15 emails. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 attachments. Now do one thing, let me first, and you can see here that we have a .txt file, it means text file, we have a JPG file, and we have a PDF files, right? So we are getting different file. Now if you want to just download only text file or only PDF file, then also you can do this. So first let me do one thing. I'm going to create one folder, and you can just go here and just go to the Outlook, and then select that folder name here. So we have these attachments. Now press OK. So now this time it will save all these attachments to this folder. Now let me show you again, control F5, and this time it will save all this attachment to this folder, right? Now you can see we have 9 attachments, right? Now as you know that we can apply filter here also. So first I want to just tell you, if you want to just download attachment where from email ID is, you can put an email ID or you can put the name. So currently I'm just going to apply filter here. So it will just go and only it will fetch only emails where from equal to this email ID, right? So you know that we have to write here double quotation, then this square bracket, from equal to single quotation UiPathR@gmail.com. Now you know what will happen. So basically in this get Outlook mail message we are applying the filter. So while getting the emails, it will just fetch only emails where from equal to this email ID, and then it will download here. So this time you see here we will just get less attachments. So now we have only 4 attachments because we are not downloading any attachments from any other email ID, because you can see here in this email ID like from is different, so it is just downloading this one because the from is this email ID using my email ID, right? Now you have seen that I am applying the filter here in this filter option, right? Now if we'll go to the for each, and now if you want to just download the attachment where the subject is attachment, so let's say if this email ID has attachment and this email has attachment text in the subject. So if you want to download this, so you know that we have to take a if condition. We'll go here and we'll write here if email, it means first email, it will check here if email dot subject dot contents and what, so it will check for attachment. If email dot subject dot contents attachment, then it will download, it will save that attachment, otherwise it will escape from there. Now we'll see here, let me run this, control F5, and this time you will see we'll just get 2 or 3 attachments. So you can see here we have just 3 attachments, because in this email we have 1 attachment in subject and we have 1 attachment. Now in the second we have 2 text files and the subject is attachments. Now we don't have any emails which has subject as a attachments. Now the next thing I want to show here, you know that you can apply anything here as per your condition, as per requirement. Now let me just delete this and just put this attachment here. Now if you want to download only PDF file, it means only a specific file, then how can you do that? So you can just click on this save attachments, go to the property, and you can see we are getting a filter option here, right? So in the filter we can apply the filter, and you can see it shows here represents a regular expression that is verified against attachment file names to be saved, right? So here in the filter we can apply the filter to just download only PDF attachments. Now so for that, in the double quotation, because it will take just string value, so we'll in the double quotation we'll put here dot PDF. Now press OK. So what will happen, while downloading the attachments, it will just download only PDF attachments. Now let me run this, and you will see here we'll just get only 1 PDF, because now we have the top 15 emails, and out of top 15 emails we have just 1 PDF attachments. So that's why it is just downloading only 1 attachments. Now if you want to download only text file, then so you just have to change this and write here double quotation dot txt. Now run this. So this time you see we'll get 3 text file. Okay, so currently we have only 2. Now let's say if you are going to download only Excel files, and the Excel file extension can be .xls or can be .xlsx. So how will you write this? So for that you will write condition like this .xls, and this pipeline you have to write then .xlsx, and you can just press OK. So currently I don't have any Excel attachments, so I will not be getting any attachments here. You can see there is no attachments. So it means by this way you can put multiple specific attachments. Now let me show you here, if I want to just download only PDF attachments and JPG files, so in double quotation you have to write .pdf and then pipeline then .jpg. We are not writing here txt file. Now press OK and run this. So now you can see we have 4 JPG file and 1 PDF files. Now let me show you one thing. Now I want to download the attachment where we have the PDF extension, JPG extension and .txt attachments. Now run this again. Now you can see we have JPG, we have text file, we have PDF file, right? So by this way you can apply the filter for downloading only a specific attachments, right? So let me show you here in the notepad so that will be clear for you. Double quotation here, and then between this double quotation you have to write here dot and then PDF. So if you want to just download PDF, you can just use this. If you want to download PDF and dot txt, so you can just write like this. So let's say for the Excel, so you can write here dot XLS, and then you can write here dot XLSX, right? So by this way you can apply filter, you can download only a specific attachments here in from Outlook in UiPath. So I hope you like this video. So if you found these videos helpful, then please support by donating any amount using PayPal. You can find PayPal link here in the UiPathRPA channel. You can go here and then you will find this link, donate to support UiPathRPA, and then you can click on this, so it will redirect to PayPal page, and then you can see here the URL, that is UiPathRPA, and also you can see the logo and then my name. So you can donate any amount and you can choose here your currency, INR, USD, as per your country, and you can put here any amount which you want to donate. So let's say if you want to donate 1000 rupees in INR, you can just put there and process the next step. So thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So please press the like button and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and please press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. And if you have any question, then please comment on video. You can send me an email, and stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.